Hello gamers, welcome back to this channel. Mobile gaming just got a serious upgrade. Today we're diving into the RedMagic Nova Gaming Tablet, a powerhouse that's ready to take on the best. Is this the ultimate gaming tablet in 2025? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's find out. Under the hood, this beast runs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version, with clock speeds up to 3.4 GHz. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and blazing fast UFS 4.0 storage, lag isn't even in its vocabulary. Games feel buttery smooth thanks to the 144 Hz refresh rate and 840 Hz touch sampling. Whether you're headshotting in Warzone or drifting in Asphalt 9, this display keeps you locked in. And when things heat up, it's got a 9-layer ICE 2.0 cooling system with a 20,000 RPM internal fan, 3D heat pipes, and aerospace-grade materials. Translation: it stays cool when your opponents don't. Fueling it all is a 10,100 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging. Full charge in under an hour. Hours of gaming, zero anxiety. With quad DTS X Ultra speakers, dual haptic motors for 4D vibration, and customizable RGB lighting, this isn't just a tablet, it's a console in your hands. It's running RedMagic OS 9.5 based on Android 14, complete with GameSpace 9.5 for full control. Plus, you get a 50-megapixel rear cam and 20-megapixel selfie shooter for those flex-worthy moments. Starting at $649, the RedMagic Nova punches way above its weight. For serious gamers who want elite performance without blowing a grand, this is it. Would you game on the RedMagic Nova? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and stay locked in for more epic tech drops. See you in the next one. Bye.